FDA and all other agencies involved in supplementation. This product presentation is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you have any existing medical condition, we recommend that you consult me. Kasi ako po yung doktor eh. No? So, anytime, I'm open to free consultation. Sabi ng ating COO, dapat pagbingkuran siyempre ang ating mga membro. Those are the perks that come with being a member of Total Swiss. Okay. So, sabi nga, fact of life, it is health that is real wealth and not of pieces of gold and silver. Yung sinasabi natin kanina, kahit mayaman ka, kung meron kang matinding karamdaman, mauubos yung pera mo, pero maaaring hindi ka pa rin gumaling.